Hi guys, in this video we will explore the law of large numbers. We will understand it through an example. Let us import these libraries and here we will pretend that we are flipping a coin. The probability of getting heads when we flip a coin is zero point 0.5, that is 50%. And so will be the case for tails. So let us flip a coin twice here. So what we are getting, we have got heads twice. It should have been ideally once heads and once tails. That has not happened. Let us do that again. This time it is okay. Let us do it again. Once more, again heads twice. This is precisely where the law of large number comes in the picture. The law of large number says that if we flip a coin a large number of times, the average result will be closer to the expected value of zero point 0.5. Meaning, if we flip a coin 10,000 times, then we will get 5,000 times, more or less 5,000 times we will get heads and 5,000 times we will get tails. Not exactly 5,000 times, there will be some difference for sure, but going by the total number of experimentations, the, the difference will be negligible. That is the idea. So we will do the same stuff and try to understand how it works. So let us try to do for 50 and just see how this graph looks. Okay. For when we have flipped the coin 50 times, this is how we got. Heads, we have got these many times, and tails, these many times. So obviously, we have got heads more number of times as compared to the tails. Fine. So let us now this time give a very large number. So I am going to give 100k, right? So let us just see. This is almost same. Not perfectly same number of times we are getting heads and tails. But let us increase further. Now this time it is 1000k. Okay, this is the graph. Okay, and this is what is our expected value. So this we will see later. But now let us do one thing. We will not keep changing here, see the graph. We will do it step by step. First, we will flip the coin 10 times, then 100 times, then 1000 times, then 10,000 times, and this 100,000 times. So this is the loop where we are flipping the coins like this, in this manner, right? 10, 100, 1000, so on so forth. And just see, we will see the graph also. So in this loop, what is happening is I in jump means I value will be 10, then 100, then 1000, so on so forth. So we are flipping the coin 10 times, creating the dictionary, and then we are creating this bar chart. Okay. And then we are flipping the coin, say 100 times, we are creating dictionary and creating bar chart. Again, 1000 times, so on so forth. Correct? So this is where this is how we go, right? Here we go. So tails, tail, heads, tails, heads, tail. See, having flipped the coin 100,000 times, we see that we are almost getting 50% of the time heads and 50% of the times we are getting tails. And this is precisely what the law of large number says. Let us also create a data frame. Okay. We have created a data frame like this. What we have done? Look at this column. We have This particular column says whether it is heads or tails. And then here we have taken count. The count for heads and the count for tails. And then we have also taken ratio. What is the ratio of heads and what is the ratio of tails? Okay. And we are seeing only initial 5 records. If we see the last 5 record, okay, then what happened? Just see 100k times when we have flipped the coin, the ratio of heads and tails are almost same, 50-50, correct? So as the number of experimentation is increasing, it is settling at its expected value, that is 50% or zero point 0.5 if we talk in terms of probability. That is what it is. So now what we will do is we will draw several graphs we will draw. So what we will do, this is this particular graph is from first experimentation to the last one. But in this, what we are doing here is we have put in a loop. So first we will see what is the result of first 100 experimentation. So let us run this. So this is the result of first 100. Look, this is going to be zigzag initially, but gradually it will settle at zero point 0.5 in favor of heads and zero point 0.5 in favor of tails. Look, from first experimentation to 10,000, from first experimentation to 20,000, so on, so forth. And the last graph is from first experimentation to 100k experimentation. Look, this heads and tails bar, this line has completely become same, right? That means that as the number of experimentation has increased drastically, we are getting heads and tails almost same number of times. This is what is the concept of large numbers. So in the next video, we will see how we can calculate the expected value, and we will also do several other experiments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.